Do you love movies? Do you have a knack for expressing your opinions in a clear and engaging way? If so, then you might be able to turn your passion for film into a lucrative side hustle by writing movie reviews. Let's explore the ins and outs of getting paid to watch and review movies. We'll cover everything from the skills and resources you'll need to get started to the different platforms and publications that are looking for talented movie reviewers. All links are in the description. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's look at some compelling reasons to embark on this journey. Reviewing movies offers unparalleled flexibility. You can work from your couch, set your own hours, and take on as much or as little work as you like. It's the perfect side hustle. Extra income. The appetite for movie reviews is insatiable, giving you a fantastic opportunity to earn some extra cash simply by sharing your thoughts and opinions. Discover new movies. You'll have the chance to delve into a vast world of films, from the latest blockbusters to hidden indie gems. Expand your cinematic horizons and discover new favorites. Lastly, crafting and refining movie reviews will undoubtedly sharpen your writing skills, making you a more effective and persuasive communicator. Now let's explore some of the best places where you can get paid to write those insightful movie reviews. Screenrant. This popular entertainment website welcomes freelance writers to contribute engaging movie reviews. They offer a supportive environment and guidance on SEO and writing best practices. You can expect to earn around $15 per article. Cineaste. This quarterly publication delves into the art and politics of cinema. They offer competitive pay rates for insightful film reviews and other film-related content, ranging from $18 for short articles to $90 for feature pieces. Cultured Vultures. This British pop culture website features movie reviews alongside content on TV, gaming, and more. They offer a base rate of £5, approximately $6 per article, with bonuses for every 200 views you get. Taste of Cinema. Dedicated to movie lists and reviews, this website focuses on world cinema and classics. They are always on the lookout for freelance writers to share their expertise. While the pay rate isn't specified, you can inquire about it when you apply. Animation Arena. This site caters to animation, video game, and visual effects enthusiasts. They pay a fixed rate of $15 per review with a maximum of 10 reviews per month. Cracked. This humor website also features movie reviews with a comedic twist. They are known for offering some of the highest per article rates in the industry, paying between $100 and $250 per article, depending on length and experience. Bustle. This online women's magazine publishes movie reviews among other types of content. They pay 25 cents per word, so your earnings will depend on the length of your articles. Medium. This open platform allows anyone to publish movie reviews and other content. You can earn money through their partner program based on reading time and membership referrals. Earnings on Medium can vary widely, but successful writers can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. Hubpages. This online platform lets you create your own pages on various topics, including movies. You can earn money through ads displayed on your content. Hubpages states that it can take up to 2 years to see significant earnings, but once you do, they can range from $50 to $100 a month. Beyond writing for established publications, you can also build your own platform to share your movie reviews and potentially earn even more. Start a movie review blog. Craft your own blog and attract readers with your insightful film critiques. Monetize your blog through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Successful bloggers can earn thousands of dollars per month, but it takes time and effort to build an audience. Start a movie review YouTube channel. Share your movie reviews in video format and build a loyal following on YouTube. Earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The average YouTuber earns around $18 per 1,000 video views, but viral videos can generate significantly more income. To make the most of your movie reviewing side hustle and establish yourself as a reputable voice, consider these tips. Study the film industry. Deepen your understanding of the film industry and filmmaking process. This knowledge will add depth and credibility to your reviews. Cultivate movie reviewing skills. Whether you're writing or creating videos, hone your communication, attention to detail, and critical thinking skills. Practice makes perfect. Establish an online presence. Build a strong online presence through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Letterboxd to attract and engage with your audience. Build a stellar portfolio. Curate a collection of your best movie reviews that showcase your talent and versatility. Include a personal bio, social media and blog links, and contact details. Connect with other movie reviewers, critics, editors, and filmmakers through social media and industry events to open doors to new opportunities. While writing reviews is a primary way to earn, explore other exciting avenues. Netflix tagger. Become a Netflix tagger and get paid to categorize movies and shows. Mystery shopper. Get paid to visit movie theaters and provide feedback on your experience through companies like Mystery Shoppers America and Market Force. Movie focus groups. Participate in focus groups and offer your opinions on upcoming films through platforms like Survey Junkie and Focus Group. Closed captioner. Write closed captions for movies and TV shows on platforms like Rev and Captioning Style. Top earners on Rev can make up to $1,574 a month. Jobs with streaming platforms. Explore job opportunities with streaming platforms like Amazon Prime, Video, Hulu, and HBO that involve watching and analyzing content. Watch movie trailers on Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars? Earn points or cash for watching movie trailers and other videos on these platforms. Transforming your love for movies into a profitable venture is absolutely possible. With dedication, passion, and a willingness to learn and grow, you can embark on a fulfilling journey as a movie reviewer. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, passion, and the willingness to continuously learn and improve your craft.